Hello everybody. This video is for all the students who have already been accepted by a US university and now they are preparing for the US visa interview and they do not know how to prepare for it. So this video is exactly for you. In this video I will be talking about the criteria that is given by the embassy in order for a student to be eligible for a US visa, F1 visa. And then I'll give you some of my personal tips on how to prepare for the interview. Okay, so let's get started. The first criteria for you in order to get a US visa is you must be a genuine student. Are you a genuine student? Are you going there to study, and is that your only reason for going to USA? If yes, then you meet the first criteria for the US visa, that is you must be a genuine student. Your intention must be to study. The second criteria that is required in order for you to get a visa is you must have the intention to come back to your home country after you complete your studies. So what's your future plan? Is that really relevant to the context in your home country, Nepal, let's say in this case. So your future plans must be very strong, your intention must be very strong, and you must prove that you will come back to your home country after you complete your studies. The third criteria that is required for you to get the visa is you must have enough money to pay for your expenses, your tuition fees, your living expenses, and all other miscellaneous costs that you will have to pay while you will be studying in the USA. So you must have a bank balance that will be enough to cover the first year tuition fees, the living expenses and everything, and you must have enough source of money in your family, by your sponsors. Your sponsors must earn enough to pay for your expenses in the remaining years as well. So if you do not have if you cannot prove that you have enough money, good source of income in your family, then it can be difficult for you to get the visa. So these three are the criteria that you need to be very careful about when you will be facing the interview. You must be a genuine student, your intention must be to study, your intentions would be to complete your studies and then return back to your home country. And the third criteria is you must have enough money. Your part-time work should not be a source of money for you to pay for either your living expenses or your tuition fees fully. So these three are the criteria that you need to meet in order to get a US visa. Now let's talk about how to prepare for the interview. In order for you to prove that you are a genuine student, you must have a proper understanding of your university, of your course, your reasons for choosing that particular program or your reasons for choosing that particular university. So do your research, figure out information about what that major is like, what skills that you are going to get out of that major, what are some special features of your university that you can talk about. Do your research, know about your program, know about your university. That is the best tip that anyone can ever give you in terms of US visa interview. The second thing that I'd like to recommend you is that be natural. Do not memorize your answers, get ready, and then when the officer will ask you, why do you want to go to USA? Well, I want to go to USA. No, do not do that. Speak naturally. Be very calm. Have a conversation with that person. That person is not there to, ask you questions and listen to your memorized answers. That person wants to have a conversation with you and want to know your intentions. And the questions, there are no fixed questions as such. So you must act very naturally. You must be calm and be ready for a conversation in order to tell your plans fully and not for the memorized answers. Okay, that's tip number 2. Third tip that I want to give you is that you must be very calm when you are talking. You must be confident. It's okay to have pauses at times. It's okay to make grammatical mistakes. It's okay because these are all natural and every single person understands that you will be nervous during that day. But try to be as calm as you can and as confident and as smiley as you can. So that will really help you to have a normal conversation with the visa officer, and that will definitely help you to increase your chances of getting the visa. So like I told you in the first part of this video, there are just 3 criteria for getting the visa, and the visa officer wants to know whether you are a genuine student, whether you have enough money, and whether you really will come back to your home country after you complete your studies. So get ready for these criteria rather than just memorizing the answers. And in terms of preparing for your answers, do your research. Not just go to Google and see, type why USA, because these reasons will be the answers of most of the students, not just you. So find your reasons. Your reasons might be that you might have chosen business as your major, and your reason for going to USA might be that you want to get really proficient with your English language so that you can have international deals in the future. That's a good reason to tell when you get asked this question, that why do you want to go to USA. When you will get this question that why do you want to study computer science, then you might say that I want to be the best computer software developer in Nepal in the future. So this program will help me to understand about programming language. I'll be very fluent with programming language. I learn about software development, problem solving. So give your reasons. Do not copy answers from anybody. Do not go to Google and search why computer science or why USA or why any other program. Make your reasons, find your reasons, and prepare for the interview on your personal reasons rather than just wandering around and find reasons from somewhere else. So that will be my suggestion for you, and you can let me know about all the problems and questions that you have in the comment box below. So I guess that's all for now. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.